All right, I'm back at Harbor Freight. In this video, I'm going to be doing a deep dive on the grants products being offered at Harbor Freight. Because this upcoming June parking lot sale, you're going to be able to save 40% off on all grants products. And that includes the detailing seat as well as the steamer and other cleaning products that they have for detailing work. And I'm going to go over the products they offer here at the store. And so the June parking lot sale is going to be starting for ITC members from June 1st through the 4th. And then everyone else is going to be June 5th to the 7th. Now, the first product I'm going to cover is going to be on the Grant's compact detail seat. It offers a 300-pound rating, has a foam cover to the top part of the seat. My store used to not have this cover, so I wasn't able to show it before. And it's obviously removable, and you can clean it. It has removable trays as well, so you have different detail products in bottles stored. Also has a front tool holder for like different utensils and screwdrivers or whatever other kind of tools you need to store. And it has a couple other compartments here on the inside there, so you can store other items as well while you're detailing. And on the other side over here, there is a drawer that pulls out so you can have other supplies in it. And the caster wheels that it comes with is 4-inch casters, which are pretty decent size. They feel like a nylon kind of caster, so they should be smooth gliding wheels. It'd be a good pickup to save 40% on it. So this Grant's detail seat does retail at 70 bucks, but with the 40% off, you would be able to pick it up for $42. It's gonna be a crazy good deal on that seat. Pick it up for only $42, and would recommend picking it up if you're in the market for it. All right, next up is going to be the Grant Handheld Steam Cleaner Kit. It's a 1200-watt steam cleaner. Heats over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has an 11.5-ounce water tank, and it comes with 11 multi-surface accessories, which is shown here on the box. The retail price is 45 bucks for it, and you'd be able to pick it up for only $27. So it'd be a good deal. This does seem to be a hit or miss with people. I do have one myself. It works pretty good. I have no complaints on it, but I have heard from others that they're not impressed with it and they had problems with it. I'm spurting water everywhere. Now, one of the things to note though is you don't want to overfill the tank. You should allow some space in the tank to allow the pressure to build up. Otherwise, it will spurt initially until the water level gets down a little bit. But generally speaking, I think it's an overall good steamer, especially for the money when it's on a deal like this. Obviously, there's much more expensive options out there and different brands, but for the money, I don't think you can beat it. And just to give you a heads up, so on the reviews on this steamer is rated 4.2 out of 5 star, and it does say 84% of customers would recommend the item. There's been 54 1-star reviews and 405 5-star reviews. All right, well, I'm heading to the next section of Grant's products to show you. If you're gaining value from this video, I appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. I really appreciate that support. Now let's cover the next Grants items. Now the next couple of items from Grants is going to be a couple of the more popular items from the brand, and it's going to be on the 2XL Ultimate Microfiber Drying Towel. And it is a good towel. I have one of these myself, and it does work pretty good, and it's nice and soft. It's 36 inches by 24 inches, which is nice and large for drying vehicles off. So this towel retails at $10.99 for it, and you'll be able to pick it up for $6.60, which is going to be a good deal. And we might have seen better deals in the past where it was like maybe 50% off, I think. But without a doubt, saving 40% is going to be a good deal. And there's not going to be a limit on them either. So you can pick up however many you want or how many your store has. And then the next popular towels is going to be the 12-pack microfiber towels that are the 16 by 16. It is their most premium multi-purpose towel. And again, you'll be able to pick that up for $6.60 because that retail is at 11 bucks. And it's the towels that it comes with are both purple and the neon green colors. These are also great towels, and I have a set myself. They're pretty good. And the ones that are hit or miss with people are the microfiber cleaning cloths, and usually these are what we see as a free item that comes up on some weekends, which currently it is on instant savings for $2.99, which is saving 25%. It's normally priced at $4, and for ITC members at least, you'll be able to stack the deal on it. Like if your store is like majority of the stores where you're able to stack the deals on the instant savings ones. So you would be able to pick up a pack of this for only $1.80. And the reason why everyone else won't be able to save or stack on that is that the instant savings deal does end on June 4th, which is the last day of the ITC portion of the sale is. So when everyone else is able to save on June 5th and 7th, that instant savings is no longer going to be in effect then. And they have other items from Grants, like the glass towels that are 16 by 16. The retail price is $8. Then they have a 12 by 12 of the microfiber cleaning cloths, 12 pack for $6. And a couple other products they have is the Ultra Plush Chenille microfiber wash mitt. So this would be great for auto detailing. These are nice to have. I have a different version of it, but it works pretty good at washing a vehicle. That retail price is $7. Then they have the microfiber wash and bug scrubbing sponge priced at $4. And if you're doing a lot of car washing, and if you happen to get some free Harbor Freight buckets, have some on hand, and you do bucket washing, I recommend going with a dirt guard bucket insert. So you put this in the bottom of a bucket, and it creates an area between this portion and the bottom of the bucket where it traps the dirt from your wash mitt or other items that you're using. And it has like these little funnels where the dirt kind of funnels through it, and it keeps the water above that more clean versus if you didn't have it. The retail price on that is $8, so you would be able to pick that up for $4.80. And if you're looking for like a foam spray gun that attaches right to your garden hose instead of a power washer, so you can put car soap in it and create like a foaming suds onto your vehicle. Well, it is currently on an instant savings priced at $20. It is saving 9% right now. It's normally priced at $22. So if you're ITC member, you'd be able to stack the savings of the additional 40% off on it and be able to pick it up for only $12. That'd be an excellent deal on it if you're looking for something like this. And another instant savings item from Grant is going to be on the Power Drill Brush Detailing Kit. It actually comes with 5 pieces total. And these are the different pieces that it comes with. Some different varieties of the different bristles, as well as a rounded end medium brush. It has a stiff brush and then some medium bristle detail and a soft bristle as well. So a pretty good variety there. It does fit into most drills. Here's what the front of the package looks like. So it's a complete kit for home and auto detailing. You can deep clean multiple surfaces in less time with less effort. So this is on instant savings right now, priced at $9, which is currently saving 10%, but you would be able to pick it up, saving that additional 40%, stacking that deal, and pick it up for $5.40, which will be an excellent deal on it, especially for ITC members that are able to stack the deals with instant savings. So definitely worth the pickup, in my opinion. And Grants also offers different sizes of the polishing bonnets to choose from the 5 to 6 inch ones that are priced at $6. The 7 to 8 inch ones are priced at $6 as well. And then you can go with a big 10-inch one that's priced at $7. They definitely have a good wide variety of different products to choose from when it comes to auto detailing. And also from Grants, they have a 3-inch heavy cut microfiber pad, as well as a 3-inch compounding foam pad and a polishing foam pad, another finishing foam pad, priced at $9 each for all of these. So again, good variety there from Grants, and excellent time to pick some up, saving that 40%. And they have other buffing pads and foam pads of different varieties of 7-inch, 6-inch, and then down at the bottom here is 5-inch ones, basically $10 each for all the different sizes and different finishing work that you need to do to your vehicle. All right, so that's going to be the Grants products I'm going to cover in this video. And again, it'd be excellent time to save 40% off on all Grants products during the June parking lot sale, which is going to be June 1st through the 7th. If you did gain value from this video, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more deal videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much.